Okay, okay, y'all. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Before we talk, 5 big thumbs up. If you guys are new, please subscribe below. It's totally free. So I'll be crossing over the highway. Right now I'm just waiting until the signal to go before I go. But right now, in the meantime, I'm waiting because the light is red for me. The light is red for me. So, I'm out here right now, bike riding over the highway on this beautiful windy day. Look at the highway. Yeah, yippee, yippee. Yeah, a lot of cars though. Too many cars for me. Nope, I'm fine. Too many cars for me. Back where I'm supposed to be at. But, yeah. Look, I'd be raining soon because I know I've been saying that. If you guys just came to my live, you guys know I went for a bike ride over today because due to the rain issues. Because it'll be raining, they say. Got about 80 or 90% chance of rain. So, yeah, yippee, I guess. I don't know. So, yeah. So, yeah, hit on Facebook, a big thumbs up to see ya.